Hello and welcome back viewers. Now in this lesson we are going to cover very important aspect for choosing a forex broker, very important factor, and especially for the beginners they don't know about it. Okay? Because my dear students, this money is from your blood, sweat and tears which you are going to invest your thousands of dollars. Okay, this is money of your saving, this is money of your hard work, this is money of your blood, sweat and tears. Okay, and when you are going to invest that money and that money is not saved, then this is going to be very hard and tough time for you, my dear students. In my trading career of more than 1.5 years, I have seen some brokers which have scammed. Okay, so, on moral values and being as a teacher, instructor, this is my job, this is my duty to tell you and to give you information that what are regulated brokers, okay, which broker is fully secured and how we can check security of brokers. This is very important topic. Okay, so let's start. So my dear students, as we know that in forex trading we are exchanging currencies and this market is known as OTC market. Okay, OTC means over the counter. This market, forex market, has no centralized office anywhere in this world. Okay, but keep in mind that its brokers are regulated. Okay, forex market is OTC market, but brokers are regulated. A good broker must have high level of security. Of course, when we buy anything, any kind of thing, then we got huge reviews for it. Okay, like if we want to buy any mobile. So similarly, in this way, if we are investing our money on any kind of broker, we will get many reviews and we will check security of that broker. Okay, so a good broker must have high level of security. Okay, and if a broker is unregulated, that means it has no centralized exchange or office anywhere located in the world. Okay, it could be a scam broker. Okay, but it's very easy to know regulation of forex broker, to check their regulation from which authorities they are regulated, and for this every country has special type of agencies. Okay, they are known as regulating agencies, regulating bodies, and these are present all across the world. Okay, so my dear students, now we will see what are the regulating agencies which are present all across the world. Okay, and we will see them in full depth and detail. Okay, so in regulation of forex broker, forex is OTC market, over the counter market. All the brokers are regulated. Forex market is over the counter market, that means it has no centralized office located anywhere in the world, but brokers are regulated. Okay, and a good broker must have high level of security. Unregulated brokers means they have no centralized exchange or office. Okay, and they can scam with you. And regulating agencies are present across the world, which we are going to see right now. So my dear students, now we will take a look at the regulating agencies which are present across the world. But here in this my lesson, we will take very famous regulating agencies, regulating bodies which are present across the world. Okay, we will see in USA, UK, Australia and Cyprus, which are the most common regulating agencies. First of all, we have in United States of America, it is National Futures Association, known as NFA, and Commodity Future Trading Commission, known as CTFC. Okay, these agencies are located in America. Now in UK, we have Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, known as FCA, and Prudential Regulation Authority, known as PRA. Okay, in UK, FCA and PRA. In United States, NFA and CTFC. Okay, these are most common. And in Australia, we have Australian Securities and Investment Commission, which is known as ASIC. Okay, in Australia, Australian Securities and Investment Commission. And then a very famous from Cyprus, known as Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Okay, it is written like this, CYSEC. Okay, so these are the most common regulating agencies present all across the world. Okay, now keep in mind that all the brokers are not regulated from all of these. Okay, every different broker is located from different kind of agencies from one of these. Okay, but these are the famous regulating agencies present all across the world from these top level countries of world. Okay, Cyprus is very common. Okay, all the brokers, it's very common. So this was the explanation of regulating agencies and regulation of forex brokers. Okay, so my dear students, now we will see these regulating agencies website, and we will see brokers registration, all of details with full explanation, and by going to their website. Okay.